Hello everyone, this is Ron from Ron's Tech and RC channel. Today I want to show you a few things that Rick Smith over Drone Valley sent me in last week. Rick's a great guy. He does a lot of great drone reviews, and they make a lot of great products over Drone Valley. I will put the links to all the stuff I'm going to show you down below, and and his site, so you can go over there and check things out. So today he sent me three different things here. We got a Mavic Mini charging cable kit. We have a drone hydro charging cable. Charge three devices at the same time. And we got a magnetic pocket floodlight. So let's do a little unboxing and get into this stuff. So we'll be right back with that. Let's get into it here. Get some of the stuff unboxed here. So first thing we're going to go over here is the Mavic Mini charging cable kit. Again, it's from Drone Valley, dronevalley.com. Put the links down below. We get an Apple adapter, a micro USB, and we get a three-prong cable here. So let's open this guy up here. On the back, it shows you the same thing. Very nice packaging. Easy to get open, just a couple of staples there. So staples came out. Oh, we have a resealable bag here, which that's good. That's good for putting stuff back in and maintaining it. All right. First thing out is we have a little. Looks like a USB-C adapter, and then we have a mini USB, and then we have a Apple Lightning style adapter, and here's our cord here. Let me get it untangled here. Sorry. Alright, and I don't know if you can see this. This is not just the standard rubber thing. This is that nice kind of corded type of cable, which is less likely to getting cut and breaking than the standard rubber cables you get from most companies. Okay, here's a USB-A port here, and on the other end I have looks like I have a USB-C and two micro USBs. But if you have to adapt it to an Apple, you have the Apple. So you would adapt this back here. You would put this on, I think. Yes. Hold on. You put that on the back there. So now you have a USB-C if you don't want USB-A. And this will come in real handy for me because you've probably seen on my channel I have the new little Mavic Mini here, and so I can charge the drone and the controller up at the same time, because this is micro USB and this is micro USB. So again, I can plug these into a standard USB-A outlet and charge. Again, I have two micro USBs, so I can charge both of them at the same time, and I still have a spare USB-C to charge something else, so that'll come in real handy. I want to thank you, Rick. And again, if I do want to plug it into one of my USB things, like say my Apple MacBook to charge, I can always use this little connector to plug it into my MacBook. So again, this is going to be a very, very handy cable set, especially, and I don't own that fancy there's the Drone Valley logo in there. I would say I don't know the fancy what do you call it, fast charger for the 3 battery things, the Fly More kit. This is just a standard kit over there. So again, this will come in real handy for me. Thank you, Rick. So let's put this aside here, and let's open the next. Let's open the hydro charging cable. See what that's all about. On the back it says 3 charging cables to fit all your devices, charger, USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning. So that pretty much covers everything today. I know a lot of people going on about like the little Mavic Mini over here about why it didn't have USB-C, and I understand a lot of people want to standardize on the USB-C plug, but you know how that is. As soon as that becomes a standard, they'll have something else. There's never a standard that lasts more than just a couple years. So I don't, you know, the big rush to get the USB-C, then we'll be there for a couple of years and they'll move on to something else. So it's always a game, and you never win the game. So I really don't care what the adapter is on a device. You know, just as long as they supply the cables, or somebody like Rick Smith makes great products like this. So let's open this one up and see what we got in here. Alrighty. And I forgot to mention on the other one, these are nice long cables. It doesn't give me a length on the box here, but these are, you know, maybe 3 feet. I'm not good at measurement stuff like that. So anyhow, we have a USB-A on the one end here, and again, this is that same nice corded cabling, almost like a rope rather than the smooth plasticky thing that most cables are. And on the other end here, I get one of each. I get a USB-C, a Lightning, and micro USB. So or mini USB. What do they call that? Anyhow, I get the small USB. Let me see what they call that. Micro USB. Sorry. So this cable will come in really handy too. You said you could take this with you and basically charge any device that you could possibly have, any drone or any type of RC device, camera device, GoPro Hero. I mean, anything. You know, this is basically the Swiss knife of cables here. So again, thank you, Rick. And then this is the magnetic pocket floodlight. Everybody can always use a good flashlight, right? So let's see if we can figure out how to open this. We'll open it from this end here. So I get my hands in the way here. All right. Put that down there. We got some good shrink wrap here. So, wow. It's a big flashlight here. That's why it's what they call a pocket, because they have the thing there to put in your kind of shirt pocket. So let's see if we can figure this out here. So is this a button here? This is a button, but we probably need to get batteries in it. That's probably the reason it's not working. So yeah, it looks like it takes kind of your standard 2 AA batteries in here, which you know, I will find, and we'll finish this test up when we get some batteries in here. So we'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I have have put batteries in this, and I'm going to show you how to do it here. On the bottom part here, just unscrew that, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. So you put them with the the positive side up, put them face down like that. Sorry, let me use my other hand so I'm not blocking. So all 3 face down with a plus, and it's got a little spring here. Again, I'm going to have to do this with the other hand so you can see. Get that back on there. Sorry, that spring's fighting me. All right, get nice and tight. So up top here is your on-off button. And it has, of course, it has like a little thing here to put in your pocket. Okay, get ready. This thing's bright. Do it up here against the wall or something like that. So it's very bright. It can light a large area up. So it's very nice. And it has the Drone Valley logo right here on the side. And it's got good weight to it. I'm not a good judge of weight, but it's quite substantial in the hand. Actually, if you would put it in the shirt pocket, it'd probably really weigh that pocket down. But it's a good little light. It's strong light, and again, it fills if I had a dark area, I could show you how it can really fill a dark area well. But yeah, it's a great pen, and I'll be using it a lot in the upcoming future. So this is Ron back, kind of a wrap up here. So Rick guy sent us the flashlight, the pen style flashlight, the basically we'll call it the Swiss Army knife of USB cables, the USB-A, the USB-C, the Lightning, and the micro USB on the other ends. Again, this could be kind of the Swiss Army knife. It'll charge almost any device that you could have. And then this last cable here was the Mavic Mini charging cable with two micro USBs and a USB-C. So like this could charge up your Mavic Mini drone, the controller, and a spare USB-C that maybe to charge up a cell phone, an Android phone, or any of the popular USB-C devices. So I want to thank Rick so much for sending this stuff in. They're all seem to be well-made products. I'll come back and do a review in a few months when I've put them through the paces a little bit and we've given a little kind of a wear test. But I'm going to put links below to Rick's YouTube page and his Drone Valley store where you can go and buy these things. I didn't get a chance to look the prices up ahead of time, but just go ahead and check the links for the prices. Usually his stuff's all very affordable, priced very competitively with anybody else would have a similar product. And a lot of his products are kind of unique. They're hard to find anyplace else. So thanks for watching this video, and keep these items in mind for somebody on your holiday shopping list that needs it's got a lot of tech devices and they need different types of charging cables. So happy holidays to you, and we'll see you in the next one.